Pentagon funds Patriot interceptor integration for Navy destroyers. The United States Department of War is moving to integrate the Patriot Advanced Capability 3 Missile Segment Enhancement Interceptor onto U.S. Navy destroyers equipped with the Aegis combat system, according to defense budget documents and reporting by Inside Defense. The plan directs $65 million in fiscal year 2026 reconciliation funding to support integration of the PAC-3 MSE interceptor with the Navy's Aegis combat system, marking the most concrete step yet toward adapting the Army missile for launch from guided missile destroyers. Integrating the Patriot interceptor onto Navy platforms could provide U.S. warships with a combat-proven missile defense capability designed to counter maneuvering and complex threats. According to Inside Defense, the funding appears in the Department of War's fiscal year 2026 mandatory funding allocation plan. The allocation supports engineering work needed to connect the Patriot interceptor with the Aegis combat system used aboard U.S. Navy destroyers and cruisers. The Aegis system serves as the core combat management system for many U.S. surface combatants. It integrates radar sensors, fire control systems, and missile launchers to detect, track, and intercept aerial and ballistic threats. The PAC-3 MSE interceptor is currently deployed with the United States Army as part of the Patriot Air and Missile Defense System. It is designed to intercept ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and aircraft using hit-to-kill technology. Lockheed Martin previously outlined the concept of integrating the PAC-3 MSE interceptor into the Aegis combat system to expand defensive capacity across the U.S. military. According to the company, the integration could provide U.S. sailors with access to a missile interceptor that has already been tested extensively in operational environments. In an increasingly complex and evolving threat landscape, the integration of the Patriot Advanced Capability 3 Missile Segment Enhancement into the Aegis combat system could deliver a combat-proven missile interceptor with growing capacity to U.S. sailors, Lockheed Martin said in a previous statement describing the concept. The company noted that such an integration could improve the ability of U.S. naval forces to detect, track, and intercept incoming threats. This integration could significantly enhance the U.S.'s ability to detect, track, and engage incoming threats, providing a robust and multi-layered defense against potential adversaries, the company said. A key element of the concept involves adapting the interceptor for launch from the Mk-41 vertical launch system used aboard U.S. Navy surface combatants. The Mk-41 VLS is the standard launch system used on Arleigh Burke-class destroyers and other U.S. warships. Lockheed Martin has explored integrating the PAC-3 MSE interceptor with the Mk-41 launcher architecture in order to provide a relatively affordable path for naval deployment. This approach would allow Navy ships equipped with Aegis to launch the interceptor without requiring major redesign of existing launch systems. In 2025, Lockheed Martin conducted a demonstration in which a PAC-3 MSE interceptor was test-fired from a containerized launcher derived from the Mk-41 vertical launch system. During the test, the interceptor successfully destroyed a mock cruise missile target. The demonstration provided one of the first public indications that the interceptor could be adapted for maritime use.